Guys, welcome to my mom's West Midtown kitchen. I just placed the finishing details in here for a whole makeover for this kitchen, and we really did it with a combination of topical upgrades that didn't require any renovation, and then a few things that we did upgrade, like the countertops and adding a kitchen island that did require a more substantial investment. But I wanted to start out with those topical upgrades that you can do to any kitchen, whether you own or rent or don't have a lot of money to invest in your kitchen. The first thing was painting the cabinets. That was huge. It made such a difference in here. And we actually went with a super dark, bold color to make it a lot more modern and contemporary and add a contrast that kind of repeats throughout the house with black trim on the windows and the black staircase in the middle of the living area. So to stay in that fun, funky kind of industrial look, we really went bold with those cabinets, a dark color. It's not going to show any stains. It also is going to give them a little bit more of a sophisticated inner city look. And so I definitely think for a small kitchen like this, with not a lot of natural light in the first place, just embrace it, go dark, and really lean into that contrast. It'll make it look super sharp. One of the most impactful upgrades that we added is this wallpaper instead of a tile backsplash. Behind these floating shelves above the counters is a stainless steel backsplash that was there when we moved in. And so instead of taking that out or adding tile on top of it, we went with a really easy to install option. This wallpaper is a traditional wallpaper, but we added a polyurethane coating on top of it to help keep it more waterproof and wipeable. So this added a ton of pattern, color, and it's something that's so unexpected for a kitchen to have sort of a traditional pattern back here, and really adds a lot of life to the kitchen. The kitchen became more beautiful and functional with this super high-tech refrigerator. It's a Samsung Family Hub refrigerator and has this gorgeous touchscreen on the front of the fridge with tons of apps and widgets that are super helpful. So we've got family photos, we have Spotify, a whiteboard, it shows you the weather and your calendar, and smart recipes and your shopping list, and even a meal planner. And there's so many apps that you can add, like Instacart and Grubhub, and you can control all of it from your smartphone and even see what's inside the fridge on your smartphone wherever you are. So if you're at the grocery store and you're not sure if you've got milk in the fridge, it will show you the inside with cameras throughout the interior of the fridge, which is such a cool feature. The inside of the fridge is beautiful as well and super customizable. We love the adaptability of all the shelves and bins so that we can hold taller bottles or larger milk jugs in the center. One of the most unique parts of the fridge is this middle drawer above the freezer. This is an entertainer's best friend because you can hold prepared food, bottles, anything you might need to pull out quickly and easily for a dinner party, or if you have cans or yogurt or anything that you might need to quickly grab from this drawer. It's super accessible with this extra space. I love the freezer because it's super deep. Pull-out freezers are my favorite because I think they're easier to load and unload. The biggest thing that we did in terms of a renovation upgrade for the kitchen was adding this island in the center. Before there was just a freestanding kitchen island, and there was definitely plenty of room for a full island. So we had this one built. It's got space for 2 stools, a pull-out trash can, and just a lot more storage than before. And then I took that green that's in the background of the wallpaper and pulled it into the design with the paint on this island to really emphasize that accent color and pull the whole design together. The new countertops are by a company called Fixtures, which makes the most beautiful terrazzo style countertops, and this is the Fair Pearl colorway, which I really love because it's so neutral. It actually has real pieces of mother of pearl in the surface, which is stunning in person. I partnered with Home Depot on this project to add some really cool fixtures to the space to really bring the design to the next level. I added this faucet, which is super sleek and something that is a little bit shorter than what was here before to fit the profile of this sink better. And instead of having a dual basin sink, we switched it out for a stainless steel single basin, which is so much easier to clean dishes in. This super modern light fixture is so perfect for above the island because it provides a really bright LED light for prepping for cooking. And it also is very minimal, so it kind of fades away into the black cabinetry of the kitchen and doesn't compete with the light fixture that we have above the dining table right next to this space. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the Westside Project Kitchen Makeover Reveal, sponsored by Home Depot and the Samsung Family Hub refrigerator with a stunning black stainless steel finish. It really inspired me to go bold on the design, and it really paid off because this kitchen can be seen from both the living and dining areas of the main floor. And so now it really feels like it's part of the entire living space and feels really chic and glamorous. So hope it gave you some ideas on how to update your kitchen, whether you're renovating or not. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me for more design and lifestyle videos from here in Atlanta.